Okie dokie, we're going to take apart or destroy, transform some text here. So I have opened up a file that I've been using for my badge with, remember this over here, type on a path tool. I'm just going to create some other styles or change some font on that same file. But I'm using the regular text tool, so when you click on the screen, you'll get the text pop in. Click inside of there. A little splat. As always, there are options for your text over here, including the font style. So this is where you can get into almost like cartoons if you want, if you can find a good cartoon text. Oop. So I'm gonna highlight my word first and watch it change as, oh, no. I like that one. It's called Juice, ITC. Right. So I can move it down with the direct selection tool. Actually, just the irregular selection tool, excuse me. Control plus on your keyboard will allow you to zoom in. And I copied and pasted just because I'd like to see what happens when I do change it. So, how can we destroy it? We come up here, destroy it or change it, I should say. Click on type. Come down to create outlines. Once you do that, you can immediately start altering your text, transforming it. I'll zoom in a little more. You just saw a little flash of some points on here. To get those points, I just went from selection to direct selection. This is where you can get creative with the word. Maybe shrink it a little bit, control minus. All these blue squares can be transformed if you hold the shift key down and click on it. Makes it turn white. And once they're white, you can alter the shape of the text. But for instance, in here, the P, if I hit delete and then delete again, it'll fill it. And if I click on the outside, I'm looking for the white squares to transform these letters. So they might switch back to blue. Shift key clicked, go to white. Whoop. And what I want to happen here is for this word splat to look like it's been splat or splatted or flattened. delete. Looking for some of those white squares. Shift. And that might be enough. Zoom out, Control minus. Oop. That's one way to get pretty creative with the font in Illustrator. So I'd like you to pick a word that you can transform in some way. We're going to save this word and use it for a project down the road. So oops. And we will be uploading these to Schoology. Alrighty.